The ingredients are 2 bananas, 2 eggs, some butter, cinnamon, and for the decoration and the finishing touch, maple syrup. Let's get started. Alright, so first of all we're going to peel the bananas. Of course, remove the entire skin, and then I'm just going to break them apart into a large mixing bowl. Now, your banana can be quite ripe and soft. The softer, the better you will be able to mash it afterwards. So make sure you don't get a very green banana. Take a masher and mash the bananas. We want to make kind of like a banana puree. Now break the 2 eggs in the bowl as well. And now mix everything up. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of cinnamon. You can add as much as you like or any spices you like. I think cinnamon will be nice with this recipe. Alright, let's move on to the next step. So take a frying pan and put it on a fire. I'm gonna add a bit of butter and wait until it starts melting. And next I'm just going to take an ice cream scoop because it's easy to measure. Take 1 scoop and pour it in the frying pan. And I'm just going to place a few pancakes. Alrighty, now let them fry until you see little bubbles appear on the surface. That means it's time to flip them. Alright, so make sure you're very careful while flipping them. This one is the one I flipped, and these 2 Leo flipped. So now I'm just going to take them out of the frying pan and fry all the other pancakes. And there we go, they're done. Now, as a finishing touch, I'm just going to drizzle some maple syrup over them. Oh. Alrighty.